Hi, this is State of California CalID conceptual demo based on the Scikit model, and we are on flow number 3. Steve McGuire is now, after he registered for CalID credentials and register for enroll into e-services both on EDD and FTB website as a business, he is now able to file his quarterly statements through EDD. So let's go through this flow. So basically, Steve goes to EDD website, and here's the area where he can log in with his CalID credential. He specifies the username as well as selects where he wants to land after the process of logging in. So he gets redirected to identity provider, where he types again username, password, and he sees the image that matches his profile for security reasons. And here he's back at EDD website, but he's presented with a choice in which role he would like to interact with the website. So because Steve used to be unemployed and still is registered as an unemployed claimant, he is actually able to either interact with the website under this role, which would take him to, in a current role of unemployment claimant, he sees e-services offered to unemployed people, which primarily consists of file continuous claims, eligibility, and managed payments. But of course, if he goes back and interacts with the website as employer, he is offered the e-services that are offered to employers, add additional businesses, file your returns, and there's also delegated administration to give power of attorney privileges. But let's take it through a flow of filing his quarterly statement. Obviously, he is able to review some previous filings that he has done using this website. And just for the demonstration purposes, we will use the form DE9C to show that the flow can take him from the fact that he's filing the form and the website, those services certainly recognize under what company he's interacting with that service. Certainly this could be HTML form, this could be a bulk upload with the XML services and things, XML formats and things like that. But he's able to complete this form and submit e-files successfully with the EDD website. He receives the confirmation page of the e-filing process. And again, similar to registration, enrollment into e-services, he can either stop here or he can continue with FTB e-filing, which provides for a coordination such that he can get redirected to Franchise Tax Board, and using the same federated ID that is established under CalID model, he gets ability to file a new quarterly statement, and the website certainly recognizes again the entity, business entity that he's filing under. Therefore, it's able to pre-populate this document, and certainly this is just for demonstration purposes using a PDF type of forms. He can submit this successfully to Franchise Tax Board. And since he actually was in a UI flow using the EDD website, FTB can redirect him back to the e-filing center, and he can interact with the EDD. He can continuously interact with EDD website. And that concludes the flow number 3.